Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the Daily Scan for Monday, March 23rd, 2015. Alright, there weren't really any announcements on Friday, but overall, Friday was a good day if you were long Delta or long period, long. But for today, we have existing home sales, and that's about it. And what looks like kind of an average week for announcements. Okay, so I'm going to be struggling a little bit today. I think the grandkids are playing around my laptop and my mouse seems to be missing, so I'm going to have to use the touchpad. Haven't used that in a while, but there's nothing, it's just some extra steps that I have to do, and things won't be as smooth as they normally are. Alright, looking across the ponds, Asia was mostly bullish with a couple of bearish exchanges, and in Europe, I think I tapped on it, didn't I? Here we go. Yeah, Europe, we are mostly bearish. Okay. Let's just jump over here and take a look at what is happening in the U.S. for the futures. It looks like they're going to open down a tad. Gold is at 1181. Yeah, it's sort of creeping up to 1200. Jeez. I remember 1700. I remember 400. Yeah. It changes, it moves around. Oil's at 45.55, and the dollar is at 98.17, and $1.08 against the euro. So it looks like as though that 100 or 101 mark here for the dollar, and the 106 something, I think, for the euro was pretty much, may have been support. Alright, our positions here, we'll be going through them, but I did not change anything on Friday. I toughed it out, I guess you might say, with these short delta with the market rise on Friday. So I told myself, there's a reason why I'm short delta on these, because they were in a downtrend. They may be reversing, but I'm going to tough it out and see how things work out for the first part of this week. Alright, we'll start out our scan with Apple. I'm not going to dilly-dally too much here. Also, I want to let you know, tomorrow I have surgery. I'm going to get my right knee scoped. Meniscus tear is what they tell me they're going to be fixing. It's not like a new knee or anything. At least this is the point in a person's life where things like that start to happen. But I'm not ready for that yet. So it's not a new knee or anything. Structurally, everything is A-OK. It's just got a little tear, the man says. So I'm going under the scope tomorrow. I guess it's not a knife, it's just a scope. And it may be early. So don't count on a video tomorrow. Okay, well, look at Apple. What happened to Apple on Friday? I didn't even know that. We're in a target area with Apple, and that would be for some positive delta, so we'd be looking to do a bull put on that. Should it perform as hoped, because nothing says that a hook here is going to give us an entry. There must have been some bad news Friday afternoon for Apple. The rest of the market, I don't think, did that on Friday. I don't know how Friday closed, to tell you the truth. Okay, Amazon, we're in Amazon here. We do have a hook here for a new uptrend, possibly. And we did get a wiggle here. We did have a hook here, but I think by the end of the day it unhooked. Alright, so possibility of a trend reversal there. The weekly still looks pretty strong, although it looks like it's rolling over from a price perspective. We'll see how that works out. Baidu. Badoo. We're not in Baidu, right? I have to check this. Chipotle and Netflix. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on with Baidu here. Tell you the truth, this looks kind of strange. Pretty swift, frequent trend reversals here. Not liking that a whole heck of a lot. Chipotle, which we are in, did gap up hugely on Friday. But let's tough it out and see what happens here. Matter of fact, I may get into this again if it behaves the correct way, but for right now, no. Costco. Definitely in an uptrend. We have a target set. Take a look at the Dow. Did pull back just a tad on Friday afternoon to give us this little wick here. But other than that, looks like it's on its way up. Gold. Kind of like that. Now I can go shopping. So I'm going to make a note of that for today. I'll probably be moving my laptop to a place where I don't have to climb any stairs. So we'll be looking at that today. Google. Here's our simulated trade. You got one of those inverted arrows on this thing too. Never can quite figure out how those happen. Maybe some sort of drawing glitch or something like that. So it looks like as though Google is ripe for a setup here for a bear call, like it was on Friday. And I didn't do anything about it. Probably looked at it in the morning and said, whoa, it's up, so it's not going to give me a hook. See what happens down here today. LinkedIn did give a hook, but no confirmation. But we'll put it down anyway. It was down there on Friday also. Alright. Okay, so next is NDX, or the NASDAQ. Big gap up. A little bit of a pullback in the afternoon. But that was kind of a big gap up. We're looking for a bull put on that. Netflix. Alright, so this looks promising for Netflix. This little rollover in the afternoon. It may continue today. It is a candidate for a bear call today. Priceline. Get over there. Come on. A little clumsy with this touchpad today. Priceline gave us a hook, no confirmation. It is a candidate for today. Let's see if we get the confirmation down here. Russell. Big gap up. It's on a roll. And SPX. definitely on a roll. A little bit of backed off a little bit on Friday afternoon, but definitely on a roll. Headed up. We have our target set, and last but not least is Tesla. What's Tesla doing? Okay, we're in a setup on Tesla for a bull put. In a new uptrend here. Tesla, I think Tesla's a tough stock to trade. It really is. I think I might have made a little bit of money off of it this year, but that's about it. It's tough. Very tough. And effectively, that's pretty much about it. One of the things that I was thinking here is, remember my, Are You Ready video? What's wrong here? There. Let's take a look at our other chart. Bring that one up here. What are we looking at? 5-minute chart. Let's look at a week chart. And this is SPX. So, we're almost at a new high. And remember I was talking about doing some sort of bear call way up here. So, and maybe with a expiration in January of next year, possibly. I still have it open here. 2400, I think, is that what we picked? I don't remember in that video. It might have been 2400. So if we were to do that trade, right now we're looking at $2.95 for a $50 spread. Ooh, that's not all that hot, is it? 2400, though, I think I had a line drawn on that. That's pretty high up. I don't know. It's not. Forget about that for right now. This is where you should have done a January bull put right at this level. Hindsight's always 20/20. Forget about that. I talked about this. Let's just wait to see what happens this week. May not be a very good week. I'm not sure, but I got. Seems like as though there might be some dark clouds on the horizon. And I don't want to get too long on anything or get too long on this video, so I'm done for today. And it's kind of early, so I'll let you out early. A little bit choppy this morning. Maybe I still have some fog in my head. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's probably dysfunctional due to lack of a mouse. I may have to go pick one up today. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and happy trading.